What you're seeing right here is actually your refrigerator wrap. You can actually change the look of your refrigerator just by wrapping it. This is actually called Pennzoil refrigerator wrap. It's a clean version, and it's printed out on 3M air release vinyl. It's a matte sheen. If you go to the rmwraps.com website, go appliance wraps, go refrigerator wraps, and it's under gas pump wraps, and you'll see this guy right here. You can order a front wrap, or front one side, or a full wrap for your refrigerator and everything. And also, we do a lot of things to this. So we need the measurements of the unit. So we need the width, height, and thickness of each door. And if it's a body too, we need to know how deep, not including door, how deep, how high the side is too. And we add markers right there, indicate the corners of the doors. And after this video, I'm going to cut this right here, so there'll be two pieces. This will be the freezer part, this will be the fridge part. And also we pre-cut the backing for you. And so it's called tacking on strips. And another thing we give you a squeegee, knife, and a little testing out vinyl. We are based in Meridian, Idaho, and we are a U.S.-based business. So anytime we get any orders in the morning time, we ship it out that day, if not the next day. So we're pretty quick at what we do. And again, all 3M products right here. There you go, 3M. And so again, if you want something fun for your refrigerator to make it look like a gas pump, go to the rmwraps.com website. We got more designs there besides the Pennzoil, and we got a lot of different unique ones too. So only rmwraps has. So, all right, stay tuned. We've got more project supplies coming your way, and if there's anything else you need, let us know. Phone number is 208-696-1180, info@rmwraps.com. Devin or Randy will take care of any comments, questions, concerns. Other than that, stay tuned. We've got more project supplies coming your way. You'll see me on the next video.